Welcome to Elevation Headquarters. I'm Dale Howe, and today we're kind of taking a break, getting ready for the upcoming hunting season, and we're looking forward to it, but we want to take a break and talk about our quick release bow sling. It's a new item for us here in 2020, and it will come in this shove-it case here, so it will come with this. Great thing about this, it's really packable for you guys out west, or if you're here on the East Coast with us. Packs in nice, easily fits into pretty much any pack pocket, but as you pull this out, you'll notice that we have a material composition of some neoprene and some brushed tricot fabric, so it's nice and quiet. We have two finger hold points on either end so that you can pull it up and over the cams. This pretty much fits most bows from 28 to 38 inches, and on the back side you'll see when I attach it to my bow we have a side release buckle. This will be for our compression, so we'll snap this together, cinch them down. We do have two cinch points on the top and the bottom, and we also have a really nice shoulder strap for you guys that are, carrying some long distances. So just like any bow sling, pretty easy to operate. Today I have my Evolve 35. Like I said, it's a 35-inch axle to axle bow. And then I like to go bottom cam to top cam, and then when we go to secure it, we grab the quick release SR buckle for the middle. We have a cinch strap in the back with a tension lock, and then also on the front side that you guys are seeing. So that's going to keep it really secure as you're carrying it around, and keeps this thing nice and locked in. When you want to detach your bow, press the SR buckle in the middle, and off it comes. For those of you who like to do some spot and stalks or going for long walks, the great thing about the quick release bow sling is it's easy to deploy. So we have the emergent here, and as we hook this up to the pack, what's nice about this sling, we can keep it attached, and then everything will nest together very nicely. You get into a situation where you need to deploy your bow quickly, it's easy to do. We can easily release it, hit the center one, and off it comes. So when you're ready to stow it away, I typically just give it a center fold, and then at that point just roll the item up. It'll nicely fit back into our shove-it sleeve. And then you can stow it away.